Alright, so I do have an above ground pool here, you guys can see, and it is filthy with all sorts of particles, bugs. Look at that. Bugs in the water, leaves. I really need help on this one. And this is just a above pool and it gets this dirty. Besides the filter's not working very well, you actually need some extra help. Look at all those bugs on the side of it. So I am going to need a skimmer here. And this skimmer is good for above ground pools and large pools. So let's put it to the use and see how well it works. So let's see if it can pick up all this stuff and clean up as much as it can. Alright, so we just finished concluding our actual pool cleanup. So what you want to do is take this out, put it up, and then pull it out. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna see what's in here, and there's a press button here. All right, there it goes. Push it. There it goes. The whole thing comes out. Let's see what we got. We got tons of stuff in there. Lots of animals. Lots of leaves. So let's clean it up. All right, cleaning it up is easy. Go the opposite way. That's it. Pretty much clean. Look at that. Putting it back. Putting it back's easy too also. So just make sure you put the right way up. Push it in all the way. You push it in all the way. All right. And then you bring this down, completely lock it, right? Make sure you do that. We open it up and we're gonna add our device, hit the add, and it found it automatically. Once you get it here we have it. We could start cleaning up, pick up, and it could send it through the corners, smart mode or standard mode. You could remote into it. And when you do, it changes color. Cord, and I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. So we have our WYBOT here. We can remote into it, and when you remote to it, you can control it. And then you could do stop cleanup, easy cleanup. So right now we're gonna do smart mode. All right, send successfully, and that's pretty much it. You're able to control the actual system itself. Now check this out, guys. Every leaf, every little tiny little mosquito bug that fell during the summer, gone. What the pump can't do, the WYBOT could clean up everything on the top. So out of the box, awesome little device. Lasts for many hours. It charges through the day and it works through the night. So make sure you turn it on maybe at night so it could do the cycle. That's all you got to do. So for above pools, if you guys have a above pool like I do, a smaller one, that's a perfect device for that.
I just to make extra money.
All right, so if you guys can see, the WYBOT works well for pretty much any type of pools, above the ground pools, and of course full pools. Now, one of the best things I like about the system, they actually give you the hook so you can grab it from anywhere in case it's away from the actual wall where you cannot hold on to it. Now, the charging station, which is more the power source that's going to be from the sun, you make sure you live in a nice area where you get plenty of sun and there's not enough shadow to get it to run all day. Right now, the way this system works, it works with the bumping systems. All right, so it kind of works by directional. If it hits a certain thing, it starts forcing itself away and then it starts reversing automatically. Power button, when you turn it on, it turns out blue. If it needs charging, it's going to indicate red. To turn it off is also indicating red. Now, there is a USB charging station in case you live in a location where not enough sun is hitting through the day. You need extra charge, you could charge it through here. Now, like I said, it has been plenty of bumpers. The thrusts are also located 2 in the back and 2 in the front to actually manage itself and control itself left to right. Now, you do have bumpers in here, and they're sensor bumpers that it recognizes. This is the larger mouth to take the intake of all the trash and bugs and any kind of foliage that you have above it. Below it, you do have these little kickstands here, if you guys can see that. And the kickstands is in case you want to put it above somewhere so it could drain some water like we're doing right now. But there's different ways you can stand it up, right? Now, the bumpers is also made for that. You can flip it over and it stands up pretty good like this, all right? So once you have it clean, you can throw it back in the water and leave it there. And if you can see, it did hit a couple obstacle courses, but it actually reversed itself and it went around it. So if you're ever looking out for a skimmer just like this, it could do pretty much above pools and full pools. I hope you guys enjoy this video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.